Have you ever wondered if adding a callback to your Redux reducer is a good idea? It's a common question among developers, and today we're diving into this topic to help you understand the best practices. I totally get it. You want to make your Redux actions more dynamic, but you're not sure if this approach is considered an anti-pattern. You're not alone in this concern. Many developers face similar dilemmas. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, would there be anything wrong with adding a callback to the action data passed into an action? This is a great question, and it's important to explore the implications. So what's the deal with adding callbacks in Redux? While it might seem convenient, it can lead to unexpected behaviors and make your code harder to maintain. Let's break down why this might be considered an anti-pattern. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'll share some best practices for managing side effects in Redux that will keep your code clean and efficient. To address the user's question about adding a callback to the action data in a Redux reducer, we first need to understand the implications of this approach. The user should consider whether this pattern aligns with Redux's principles of predictability and separation of concerns. Next, the user should recognize that while it is technically possible to include a callback in the action data, it can lead to side effects that are difficult to manage. Redux encourages pure functions, and callbacks can introduce complexity. The user might want to consider alternative approaches. For example, they could handle side effects using middleware like Redux Thunk or Redux Saga, which are designed to manage asynchronous actions more effectively. Finally, if the user decides to proceed with the callback approach, they should ensure that it is well documented and that the team understands the implications. This will help maintain clarity in the codebase. Fun fact, Redux was inspired by the Flux architecture, which emphasizes unidirectional data flow. Keeping your data flow clean is key to maintaining a scalable application. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that adding callbacks in Redux can introduce side effects. Instead, they recommend returning a new state with a flag like done true and handling the response in component did update. For managing asynchronous actions and side effects, they recommend using libraries like Redux Saga, Redux Thunk, or RxJS. They question the need for Redux if callbacks are preferred. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your reducers pure and avoid side effects within them. This will make your application easier to debug and maintain in the long run. And there you have it. By avoiding callbacks in your Redux reducers, you're on your way to writing cleaner, more maintainable code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.